Alright, we'll get out of there. Max Productions TV here. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're not, you might as well consider subscribing now. It's free. And we're going to be bringing some more of these abandoned places as spring comes into Washington State. Some more places to film. So if you like the abandoned stuff, you like the Bigfoot stuff, Sasquatch, all the paranormal and everything, take a look. We got over 160 or 70 videos now, I believe, but we got new ones coming. So look at this gem, guys. Just found this on the side of the road. It's got like the old 1920s style siding on it. And this is an old farmhouse. Let's see if we can get in. I'm not sure. Let's take a look. Look at this. Sounds like there's a beehive, bee's nest or something close by, so we got to be careful, especially this time of the year. So this chair to climb in, there is no trespassing signs anywhere. As a matter of fact, you can't even see the place. I almost missed it just driving by. But, well, we'll see if this chair is going to hold me. I'm a pretty big guy, so we'll find out. If you see me crashing down, that might be the end of the video. Here we go. Let's give it a try. Oh boy, it's creaking. Old style appliance. Look at that wallpaper in there. Hello? Come in. Alright. Well, let's see if we can get the rest of the way in here. Hold on to your hats. Oh. Look at the size of that old freezer. Wow. And this is an old stove, I believe. Very old. Okay, there's a lot of junk on the floor here. Have to be very careful. I can't even tell what brand this is. It's like a giant nest inside. Don't look good. Alright, let's take a quick look around. I don't know what that noise is. There are a lot of bees buzzing. Okay, got a flashlight. Another refrigerator or something. There's a bathroom back there. The floors, well, somebody's put a ladder up to climb up into the attic there. I don't think so. I'm not gonna get my fat butt up there. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you in the attic. I really don't want to go up there, so I brought my selfie stick with the GoPro on the top. Here we go. Oh wow. Some stuff up here too. What is this? Is that a bee's nest on the wall? Not sure, but that floor is falling through. Dirty magazines on the floor. Oh, there's a hole. Oh, and there's stuff flying around up there. Yep. There's birds or bats. Oh, there's a bird in here too. Ah, sorry. I'm leaving. All right, we'll get out of there quickly. Look at this old living room. There's a spot for a chimney there. It's a little fireplace. Some fake wallpaper brick. But look at these banisters, or I guess you'd call them supports or pillars. That's really a cool entry. Very neat old place. Little bedroom here. There's a road pretty close. It is hard to see in here. Hopefully nobody sees my car. See how grown up it is out there. This is kind of it doesn't say no trespassing or anything, and I just really, if anybody does find this place, please don't damage it. Don't take anything, don't destroy, don't do graffiti. I know that's what some of you guys like to do, but for the most part, most people on my channel don't do a lot of that stuff. They're pretty respectful. So I really appreciate that. Well, let me shut up here for a minute. Let you just take in the sounds. Is that poison ivy, guys? Or poison oak? I think it might be, but I could be totally wrong. The porch is all falling in. But you sure wouldn't want to come in that way. The old screen door. Make sure it's safely latched here. Doesn't quite reach anymore. Yeah, I'd say it needs a little cleaning. There's a broom. Lucy, you definitely have some splaining to do. Really let this place run down. See, they even put some cardboard in for insulation. Used to do that a lot back in the day. Look at that. Oh, another bird in here. Seem to get somewhat aggressive sometimes. So you got to be careful. Definitely don't want to hurt it. At the same time, just to be on the safe side. That's to keep them out of my face. Alright, buddy, I'll leave you alone. That's some kind of old little side porch or something on here, but I'm gonna put the hand up here. Watch out for spiders. Omar, a little shout out to Omar Gosh, as he would say. Oh, look, Mom, a spider. It's a good channel. Go check it out. Omar Gosh TV. Been watching him for many years. Get a little bit of B-roll. November, October 1992. I don't know if that's some of the oldest stuff in here or some of the newest, or this one's what? 1993 National Geographic. It's a long time ago. Dang. Looking at 30 years. This is 2023, so 31 years. I just want to say thank you, chair. They just don't build them like that anymore. I mean, look how old this thing is, and how rickety, and somehow still strong enough to hold my butt up. Thank you guys so much for coming along, checking out this another amazing abandoned place. Place not too far from Elma, Washington. I just want to say though, guys, I don't want to give it away too much. I couldn't find who the owner is because there's not even a house nearby. But there is no trespassing signs, and of course the door is open, the front door is open. Should probably always make sure you get permission first. Thank you guys. MaxproductionsTV. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you could please give me a like. It's a lot of work to find these places, and it's always a little bit of a risk checking it out, but I want to do it. I like to do it for you guys, so please take the time to give me a quick like right now if you would, and until I see you in the next video, take care guys.